All right, love. So jumping right on in, this is the hair that I purchased from Amazon. I got 22, 20, and 18-inch, and then I think my closure was a 16-inch. And this is the hair out of the package. I did get a loose wave. And this is a side note, but this hair does shed a lot. I will put the info in the description box, but keep that in mind. Also, as you guys can see, you see those little white specks that look kind of like lint. That is lice. So I just kind of want to give a disclaimer that whenever you are purchasing hair, make sure that you treat the hair. And this is the closure that I got. This closure has already been pre-plucked, pre-bleached by my mom. I will leave the link to that video in the description box as well, so you guys can check that out and see how we got this lace closure to be, or frontal to be, flawless, honey. Look at that. It looks like a pure scalp. So my mom has already braided my hair. She just did braid straight back, and then she placed the cap on my head, and as you can see, she's just cutting the cap and then spraying on some of that Got to Be Free spray to ensure that the cap is nicely in place. And then to reinforce that hold, she's just going to go in with a blow dryer.
Get my peroxide. We have secured her cap. The back you can just sew it down when you sew your welt in. It's not going. It's good. How does that cap feel, Brittany? Good. I just want to see if we need to apply makeup. So what I'm gonna do is lay it, which I don't think I did because I bleached it. She does have a nude closure. So. No, we don't need to apply any makeup. Now I'm gonna put probably 6 or 7 coats around the hairline with this stick, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, you do dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, you ain't gotta count. I don't know why I'm counting out loud. And then as you can see, and then we're gonna take this. And you don't want to get it on her head.
We did end up sewing the frontal down because I am doing a sew in. So she just placed the frontal where it would be positioned on my head and then began sewing the back and also along the sides of that frontal to ensure that it's nicely in place. She also takes this time to cut any excess lace that is on the frontal. Again, I did decide that I wanted to do a sew in, so now she's just going to sew the rest of my hair, starting from the back and then working her way up to the front. She also doubled up my track so that my hair would look fuller. As you all can see, as she's pulling that needle through, she's also wrapping the thread around the needle, and that just kind of ensures that it kind of has like that double knot and makes sure that the tracks don't be getting loose or falling out or any of that, because we don't want none of that. Once the thread runs out, she actually ties a literal knot just for extra security. So now for the frontal, she's just going to get those baby hairs together. So she's going to tie that hair back and just cut that lace with a razor. It usually is more effective to use a razor rather than scissors because it gives it more of that natural look. But just be careful and make sure you don't tear the lace while doing this. And she's also going to use that razor for the baby hair and just kind of cut it to my liking. Once that's complete, she's going in with her hot comb that she let sit on the stove for a minute. And this just kind of makes sure that the part is nice and smooth and flat and all of that. Say hey.
Hi.
It's YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
What's your name?
Sydney.
And how old are you, Sydney?
5.
5.
Hi.
And who's your favorite YouTuber ever?
Ryan.
No, Ryan. Y'all know how I am about my baby hair. It's got to have that right, precise swoop. If you know, you know. So I'm just going to take some gel and lay my baby hairs and swoop them nice and right. Then my mom is going in with that free spray again for that extra hold, and then she's tying it down with this little wrap. I don't know exactly what this is, but it works bomb AF, okay? So after I've sat for a while and let it dry, she's just going to cut that wrap and see the magic. Then we're going to go in with some silk drops and apply that just to give my hair a little extra shine and silkiness. And that's really it. That's all to it. This man scalped, okay? Slayed, okay? My mom did the thing. This literally looks like my hair. I feel like a new person. So I hope you all like this video. If y'all did, give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl. Comment down below what you think, any tips and tricks you have. And I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces.